So I'm back home, back in Denver. This is the first time I've gotten to be back on the streets of my home. 16th Street Mall, where I like hanging out. Just got done saying hello to all my wonderful Tilted Kilt girls. And one of the things I love about being home are all the amazing street performers. So this guy over here, you gotta see this. He is the bomb. Just doing his thing with the things. Yeah, that's why I love Denver, right there. Awesome, so good to be home. I've missed you guys, I've missed the city. I love this place, I love being here. I've missed you guys so much. Feels good to see people and hugs, and you know, I think the saying that absence makes the heart grow fonder, definitely true. Definitely true. So, the thing that's kind of sad is that when I left, all the lights were still up in the trees and stuff, and now they aren't here. Kind of see behind me the trees. Don't quite have that glow anymore. But it's good to be home. And try to get better at doing these. So, I'm definitely going to be video blogging a lot more. And since essentially I'm gonna be traveling, so I want to take you guys with me and show you all my new adventures and places that I'm going, and it'll be like you guys are right here with me. So, alright, good night, I'll see you later. Mwah. Love you.